Hey guys, welcome back to another Vlogmas, and today it is going to be a short video. I just wanted to give you guys a house tour of my Christmas decorations. And yeah, without further ado, let's go check out my house. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Okay? So the first part I'm gonna show you is my kitchen, and it kind of looks like that. That's Daniel. Danny, say hi. That's my other son. And there's Evelyn eating some cereal. But so the first thing we got is this glass centerpiece that I did. And I will leave it in the cards if you guys want to go check out how I did it. And most of my little balls are missing because my kids would play with them. And then right next to that is like this pillar. And I just made these also. And I'll leave that in the cards if you guys want to go check it out. And then my little tiny Christmas tree here, I just kind of did that just so it would fill it out because it was kind of plain, like empty there. So that's that. So you guys have seen this in my previous videos, but like, oh, so cute, known for the holidays. Then right next to that is my stove. I just got those from Dollar Tree. And then my hot cocoa bar section right here. I got that. My coffee maker from Amazon. This spinning thing from Amazon. I did that. I love that. That's so cute. And then the little tree. It lights up, but I gotta change the little lights. Where is it? You see, it's like, it's kind of lit up, but it's been on for a week already without me shutting it off. So I have to go buy new batteries. And then underneath, it just looks like that. And then you guys saw this in my DIY. And I just have my hot cocoa, my peppermint, and my marshmallows here. But they're empty because my kids ate it all. And then this section, I love this section. I got these little mugs from Dollar Tree, and even the pillar, like wall mount, I got it from Dollar Tree, and my boyfriend just kind of like screwed it in so it's perfectly there. And yes, it's a nice setup here. And then just like my basic things that I always leave on the countertop, which is my sugar, coffee, and tea. And I just put a bow on it just to make it like match my other decors. And then you see how that looked plain like that. So I just put this little pot that I had from my Dunn inspired DIYs that I did, which I'll leave it in the cards. And I just put the little fake flower plant in there just to put some greenery in this section. Yeah. So that's this section. And then right next to that, you go to this. And I DIY'd everything that's here. But that's how that looks. And then don't mind that, guys. So then here we just have these soap dispensers that I got off of Amazon. And it just says one is for dish soap and the other one is for hand soap. And next to it is, I have this, and I think it's 11 days till Christmas now. Leisha, is it 11 days till Christmas or 12? What day it is today?
There's 3.
Today's a 14? Today's a 15? Oh, snap-a-doodles. Okay. Next to it, I just have a nutcracker, and then behind that, I just have like a vase with some red ornament balls inside of it on top of this black little box thing that I bought from Dollar Tree. And I was supposed to get like red flowers for it, but I didn't. But it's just gonna stay kind of like this. And then my little snowman kind of just goes on top of my fridge. And he's unequal. He's not equal, so yeah. And that is all of the DIYs, and that's how I decorated my kitchen. Last year I didn't decorate like that, but this year I just kind of wanted to decorate my kitchen more. I forgot to mention that my lights turned on for the kitchen, so they all turn on. Let's see. But I always keep it white. So I keep it like that. And this is the setup for the kids' school area over there. And then this side, you see it's like almost 8 o'clock. It's 7:50 in the morning. And then there's Evelyn eating some cereal. Hi, Evelyn. But yeah, so I don't do much for the living room except the Christmas tree. Oh, I did added some stockings up there. One for like each kid. And there's a lot. Oh, and the ones in the corner are for our dogs because we have 2 dogs. Yeah, so that's how that looks. Say hi, children. This is what 3/4 of my children. The last one is sleeping. And this is a Christmas tree.
And my mom and me.
Daddy. Hey, Daddy. Daniel said, why I don't show you guys the presents, and there's all them presents down there. The last thing I wanted to show you guys is my LED lights that goes behind my TV. And it works with an app, so you can change it all colors. But I just kind of showed you guys like how it looks, because it's like morning time and you can't really see it. But yeah, but I got it off of Amazon, so I'll leave it in the link. I think this one is like 65 inches long, so I think I have to check. But regardless, I'll just put it in the description so you guys can go check it out on Amazon. But so this is how it looks like from here. Yeah, so that is my whole decoration. I told you guys I don't do that much decorating in my living room, It's just the stockings and the Christmas tree. And the blanket that Leisha has. And I am actually thinking about doing the walls white. The living room walls white. And then we're hopefully in the next couple of months we'll get a new couch. But yeah, guys, and obviously put wall decors, because look, we only scooch over, Danny, because we only have like 2 wall decorations up there. Not really, we just have 2 picture frames up there. But then over here on my stairs I have like more. So that's the end of this quick video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I told you guys it was gonna be a quick video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another Vlogmas. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, Kaden. Say it. Leisha. Say bye, Leisha. Bye, Evelyn.